This is a 2013 Ford F-Series. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 6.7-liter V8, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, power-adjustable driver pedals, cooled seats, XM satellite radio, alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, air conditioning, cruise control, side impact airbags, full power accessories, a rear window defroster, a sliding rear window, traction control, a keyless entry system, and this vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
James Wood Motors is located at 2111 US Highway 287 South in Decatur. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.